We're at the Grand Moon Palace Resort in Cancun, Mexico, and let's go check out our guest room real quick. Oh, and as you can see, I have a wristband on. This is actually the room key for the guest rooms here. You just put it up to the scanner, and when it turns green, you open the door, and it should lead you to your guest room. These come in multiple colors. As I was saying, these come in multiple colors when you get them at the check-in kiosk of the resort. Anyway, let's see, we got a coffee maker right there, and got some beer and wine glasses up here, and I think that's a bottle opener for the beer. And what's in here? Oh, this is like alcohol drinks if you're into alcohol. Hang on, let me get it upside down. Look at it, just to show you guys. Yeah, it's a little upside down, but I'm trying to get my camera so you can see what it looks like when it's right side up. Okay. What's in here? Oh, these are like, I believe these are things to make coffee or tea or whatever you like in this kind of drawer. These are the things to make it. And I got some candy and cookies and chips over here with some, I think those are like little Ziploc bags. Yeah, that's really cool. And let's see what we got in here. Mom, what's this thing above the water bottle here?
It's an ice bucket.
That's an ice bucket right there. And the water bottle like I mentioned. What's in here? Oh, a little mini bar. Let's see what they got in here. Looks like that's come some water and some beer and some soda, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Diet Coke, 7-Up. That's really cool. And I think those are like fruit juices, I believe. Yeah, thinking that's what it is. It's really cool. Okay, hang on a second. Oh, hey everybody. Let's see what's in here. Oh, hey everybody. Okay, just a second. Looks like I got some things to iron your clothes with if you're going to any like special events or anything like that around Cancun or Riviera Maya, Mexico. Okay, let's see the other side. We got some bathrobes right there, and a safe, and some slippers, and I'm not sure what kind of mat that is, but I think it's something to do with the bathroom, I believe. The bathroom like mat, I believe is what it is. Alright, that's the closet. Check out the bathroom. Got a little trash can right there, and some sinks over here. A couple of sinks, towels. Nothing in this drawer. Okay. Oh, and Mom, did you say these things are like free?
Yep.
The bags? Okay. Yeah, these are bag. What?
It's all included.
This is all included with your hotel room accommodations. There's like a couple bags for whatever you need to put in them. Alright, and we got some soap right there, and there's some cheap products in each of these guest rooms, I believe, and usually they're a little expensive, but here at the Grand Moon Palace Resort, and whenever you get a guest room, I believe you get these for free and included with your guest room accommodations. So I think it's kind of clever. Oh, looks like this is a shower area. There's some more cheap products. Towels. That's really cool. I got a toilet room in here. I like those. They look really clever. And got some towels right there underneath one of the sinks. Alright, let's see here. That's the stand where you can put your luggage on. And what kind of beds are these, Mom?
2 double beds.
These are 2 double beds.
Or you can get 1 king.
Or you can also get 1 king if you wish when you stay here at the Grand Moon Palace Resort. Oh, and this right here, I forgot to tell you this one when I was in the bathroom, but these, how to get this open? Hang on, let me try it in the bathroom. This is like if you don't want your privacy. Mom, how do you get these?
Push it.
Push it? Okay. Yeah, this is like if you don't want your privacy to be not private. Yeah. Okay, hang on a second. Show this. Okay. And there's a TV right there, and some dressers. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hey. There's a telephone over here and a lamp, and a little notebook and pen right there in case you want to write any notes. A remote control for the TV, alarm clock, and looks like this is like a little desk right here with a chair, a lamp, and what'd you say this thing is, Mom? Oil, what is it?
It's a diffuser, oil diffuser.
This is like an oil diffuser. My family and I have a couple back at home, but yeah, this is it's really cool they have one here too. And I believe you get these for like free when you get a guest room here at the Grand Moon Palace Resort. It's like handbags for any shopping products or whatever you want to put in there. And go down these steps. And they have a little bathtub with jacuzzi jets for like couples if you're dating or if you're married and you want to be in a bathtub like this. This is your kind of type. And got some curtains right here just in case you want it to be a little private. And there's a desk and a little table and some chairs right here. I really like that. That looks really, really interesting. Like that. Yeah, let's take a look at the view out here. Well, they got some little table and lounge chairs. And Mom, is this like some kind of bathing kind of bed?
It's just a lounge.
A lounge chair? Okay. And look at the view out there. It's like a view of the water park they have here at the Grand Moon Palace Resort. Yeah, I like the slides. Alright. Okay, hang on a second. Alright guys, that's our little tour of our guest room at the Grand Moon Palace Resort in Cancun, Mexico. So I'll see you guys next time for another video here on this 2019 vacation in Mexico. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, love you guys. Bye.